The game dominoes is a classic one. It's been around for centuries, yet it still has such an appeal on this island. Let's find out what makes this game so much fun. Shuffle up and draw. Dominoes is a popular tile-based game played often in Aruba. Samuel de la Rosa, also known as Sammy, is originally from the Dominican Republic, where the game is also popular. He opened up an establishment in downtown Orangestad with the main attraction being dominoes. People from all backgrounds can pull up a chair and join.
Domino is one language, so they don't have different language in domino, so you can play with everyone. So sometimes you can, if you come in here, you can see Dutch people, American people see it around here, so and they play, they solve. So like it's a domino. So hey, how you guys doing? What you guys doing? So we can do it, we can play, say, just come on, so just sit.
There are many variations of dominoes. There's the Aruban way, but there's also the Dominican way, and many others. Although there are different ways for the game to be played, one thing is for certain. These stones bring people together.
A lot of local people come to play with us, Arubian people, so we play different, but they come to us, so and they learn how to play with us. So because they love it also. The Arubian people, they love the domino. We love, like us, we play totally different. It's nothing the same, but they learn how to play with us. And we know how to play with them too, so it's something different. But I think so, it's one more sport in Aruba, so it's like a football, like a baseball.
As Sammy said, dominoes is considered a sport to those who are enthusiasts of the game. It can be, of course, a leisure activity, but for the most part, dominoes is very competitive. Hitting the stones hard on the table definitely happens. To be good and to win, players have to pay attention to what their partner is doing. They have to be strategic, and they should be counting each and every stone being played.
The domino is intense. It's 100% intense. That's the domino. So when you see the guy that hit the dominoes, it's a passion. It's like, you know, they have a lot of passion of the dominoes.